The coxofemoral joint external rotation improvement with the ELDOA type stretch requires usually a setup first and proper education with a practitioner who's trained in these myofascial stretching techniques, ELDOA stretching techniques. This video should just be a reminder for you how to do them in case you forgot some details or you want to stay motivated with them. So I'm going to try to explain and touch on some of the important aspects of this position. You want to make sure I'm going to focus on my right side. Keep the knee right directly below your hip. Make sure your foot is nice and straight behind your leg. The front foot should be aligned with your hip, keeping it nice straight forward. The center of your foot is pushing downward. You want to make sure the pelvis, the ASIS joints are nicely aligned, so it shouldn't be one higher than the other. The sitting bones should also be nice and leveled. Setting up this position, tilting your pelvis slightly forward. Arms in front of you, external rotating the shoulders, lifting up the right side over top your head, keeping the arm completely extended, keeping the other arm nice and parallel to the ground at the same time. Make sure your chin is tucked in, the back of your spine should be nice and long. And you don't want to hold your breath while you're doing this. Holding this position, continuously making sure your pelvis is rotated forward, and the same token, you want to make sure that the femur itself is rotating inward. At least you're imagining doing it rotating inward while you're doing this stretch. So again, and then continuously keep checking. How's my foot? How's my knee position? How's my pelvic position? How's my spinal position? How's my neck position? How's my shoulder? How are my elbows? How are my wrists? You're continuously going through this in your mind and checking your body continuously. When you're doing this over time, holding it for 1 minute at a time, it will create more mobility around the hip joint.